I have a interview with a newspaper here in New York City, and I kind of keep it a little bit under wraps because I'm not sure when the actual article is going to be published, but when it do, I'm definitely going to come back and share with y'all the published date, as well as whatever links there is for you to find and, you know, get a chance to read the article, because the article is all about me and my love for beauty, hair, and fashion. Okay. Oh, and the MzGlamourAddict cosmetics that's launching very shortly. Yeah. So right now, like I was saying, it's very early in the morning. I'm putting together my outfit that I'm going to be wearing for the shoot, and I'm doing this shirt right, well, it's a bodysuit. I'm doing this shirt right here with these pants. So you'll see. Let me put this up so I can start getting this together, and then I gotta do my face and head out of here, because though it's early, I don't got as much time as I thought. So hey dolls, I just made it to 34th Street, aka Herald Square, synonymously known for that Christmas movie Miracle on 34th Street. So as I said to you all earlier, I actually have an interview scheduled with the newspaper at my favorite here in beauty supply store right here in New York City, and I'm taking you all along with me, so let's go.
Last open. Take a walk again. I'm white tracking. Take it out.
So dolls, this is what I've been keeping a secret from you all. Oh my god, no, I said to you in a few videos ago that I was going to be bringing new and exciting fun content, so this is just the introduction to many more new things to come. But let me get back to my So dolls, this is what I love about Main Beauty. They have such a large selection of hair, wigs, accessories, you name it. The possibilities are endless to the options that they have available here. I mean, just take a look around, you'll see. So, as you get a chance to glance around, this store, Main Beauty, is located right in the heart of New York City, super convenient to all lines of transportation, and their pricing meets everyone's budget because they're super competitive. So I consider them kind of like the concierge of hair. But enough of me talking to you all, because I gotta get back to work.
Could have been higher. Okay, just want to twist her a little bit. Okay, that's good.
MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics.
Okay, thank you so much. You know,
That's a wrap.
do you know who's the reporter for you?
Such an exciting piece
Yeah.
that's being worked on for the love of hair, all things
Yeah.
hair. And this store reminds me a lot of my home. I have like over 1,000 units at home.
Wow.
So yeah, I just feel at home here. So on that note, dolls, this concludes the vlog. I don't want to give away too much of what's going to be happening, but I promised you all new and exciting content, like I said a zillion times. And as you can see, this is the beginning phases of it being introduced to you all. So stay tuned.